Hi everybody, and welcome to another video from Evolve EdTech. My name is Tristan and I am the creator of Evolve EdTech, and I thank you so much for joining me today for this very quick video looking at one of my 20 Jamboard templates that I have created for you. Jamboard is an amazing resource. It's only a resource that I've started to engage with in my classroom, but I can see so much potential from Jamboard and using Jamboard in the classroom. So today I'm going to show you where you can access and find my 20 Jamboard templates that I have created. And I'm going to talk about one of my Jamboard templates today, and that is my 25-word summary, and show you how you could use it in your classroom and what you could do with it yourself. So let's head to the Evolve EdTech website. But just before we head into all of that, if you haven't done so already, I would love it if you subscribe to the Evolve EdTech Facebook page, Twitter account, and you subscribed to our YouTube channel. That would make me so happy. It would give me so much confidence and so much, so many more reasons to continue creating these videos for people and especially teachers across the world. Anyway, let's head to my website, the Evolve EdTech website, and I'll show you where you can find the 20 Jamboard templates that I have created and the 4 colors that they are available in. And then we'll go and have a look at my first Jamboard template, which is the 25-word Jamboard template. I don't believe that I just said the word template so many times then, so I do apologize for that. All right, so let's head to my website. And if you've been with us, in the past, we were actually known as the EdTech Teacher. I decided to go on and do a little bit of a rebrand and a refresh, and it's definitely made me feel a little bit better about what I'm doing and a little bit more confident in what I'm doing. So welcome to Evolve EdTech if you haven't been with the EdTech Teacher before. So this is our brand new website. It's still a work in progress. I'm still getting there. It's going to take me a bit of time. I'm going to take things a little bit slower in terms of what I would like to do, but eventually, hopefully, we'll get something really amazing ready for people to use. So you can head to my website by going to evolveedtech.com. It's down the bottom in the banner. So if you're not sure, evolveedtech.com, and then you'll end up here at my website. So let's go, and I'm just going to quickly show you through the website first, or just the homepage, and show you where to go to find the Jamboard templates. So if you scroll down, you'll find these awesome buttons here that have all the different categories that we have now and that we would like to have in the future. So some of this is still a work in progress, but this is where you'll be able to access really quickly all of the different various aspects that I would like to create over time. If you scroll down, you can also see the chalkboard, the chalk plan board series that I created earlier in 2021, and you can go and check that out. There's a whole heap of videos, infographics, there's the session I did with Kim Martina from the Sweet Talk. You can go and access all of that there from Evolve EdTech. Coming up later this year, I will be holding monthly live streams to show off some really cool EdTech tools, and you can check out those by going to the Evolve EdTech calendar, which is at the top of the website. And you can check out my previous podcast episodes from the EdTech Teacher by going down here. You can also get those on all of your major streaming services, Google, Apple, Spotify, all of those as well, if you want to go and listen to those. And don't forget to stay connected with us here at Evolve EdTech. We have a Facebook page. We do have Twitter, and I am active on Twitter. We've got our YouTube account and Instagram, which I don't really use a lot, but I should probably start to get into a little bit more. So they are all available for you to access. So let's head up the top of our website page here, and I'll show you where you can access my 20 Jamboard templates. So there's 2 places that you can find these. So if you head up here to Evolve Resources and the Evolve Resources tab, you will find the Jamboard link here. Now, it does currently say that there are 2 collections. There's only 1 collection at the moment. The second is a bit of a work in progress. But if you click on the first link here, it will take you to our 20 Jamboard templates. And you'll notice that they are in alphabetical order, so it's nice and easy for you to find. Just click on the accordion menu with the template that you were looking for, and you'll be able to access your Jamboard templates. Obviously, my internet has just wanting to be a bit slower today, and it wants to think. Hopefully, there we go. So here you go. You can see my collection of my first collection of Jamboard templates there. And I'm going to go through every single one of these templates and explain them and show you how to use them if you're not sure what they are, because some of them might not be very clear or specific to you, and you might not have heard of them before, but that's what I'm going to do with these videos in this particular series. So you can just click on the accordion menu, just like here. You can see a brief description. You can see the 4 colors that the templates come in, and you can see the link here to the Jamboard templates, which you can click on. I'll show you that in a second. Let me just head back to the home page and show you where else you can go to get and find those templates if you don't want to go that way. If you scroll down, just as my internet wants to play nice, if you scroll down here, you will also see that there is a Jamboard templates yellow tab here, which you can also access, and it will take you to the Jamboard templates landing page, which there isn't anything on at the moment, but you can then go and access the templates from there. So let me work on this. This is coming. All right. So don't stress if you can't find it. It will be coming. I will do some of that and get that ready for you. But you could definitely access it by heading to Evolve Resources and going to Jamboard templates. All right. So that's how to find the Jamboard templates. As I mentioned, I've got 20 of them for you to go and have a look at and use. And I'm going to create a video for each one of these Jamboard templates to show you what it is and how you could use it in your classroom. So today, I'm going to show you the 25-word summary, which is a great way to get students thinking about being very concise with their writing and their ideas and summarizing so that they're not including unnecessary information. So I'm going to show you one of these today. I'm not going to go and show you all 4 colors because they're all the same in terms of their structure. They've just got a different color. So to access your templates, you're just going to go and click on one of these links. It's going to force you to make a copy, which is okay. I'm going to have to sign into Google here because I am using an incognito window just to make this a little bit easier for us. So you will be required to sign into your Google account. So let's go and select one of the many Google accounts that I have, and we might go to the Evolve EdTech account instead. All right, so log into your Google account, and then we are going to go and access our Jamboard templates. And we'll just do that. And I'm going to wonder if it's going to ask me if I need to check it on my phone. Oh, it's being so slow today. No, it's not. Oh, yes, it is. That's going to... Okay. Proof your account. Okay, we're going to confirm that. Confirm that. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to be required to make a copy of the template. The reason why I've done that is because it's a little bit easier and a little bit less fussy in terms of having to manually go in there and select make a copy. Some of them, the settings may be wrong because it did take me a long time and I was quite overwhelmed with when I was creating these. So if they do require you to go in and make a copy, the instructions are pretty clear. Just head up to the 3 dots in the top right-hand corner and click on make a copy. So let's go and make a copy of the 25-word summary template. Now this will be the blue template. It is available in blue, red, green, and yellow. So 4 colors there. And ironically, they are 4 colors of Evolve EdTech, which is fantastic. So look at me linking in my design and my Jamboard templates with my brand. How cool is that? So the 25-word summary is a really great tool to use in the classroom. You can use it anytime, and it's a really great way to get that concise thinking and summarization skills and starting to develop those, especially as students move into, say, senior high school and maybe university or outside of the education environment where they need to summarize. So in this particular template, we're going to try and get students to summarize a text or topic in 25 words or less. Now, I've been using this for many, many years. It's a great literacy strategy that we use here in Australia. One thing that I have discovered over the years is you need to be very clear with your instructions. When I say summarize your text or topic in 25 words or less, I'm asking students to write in full sentences, not just singular words, because otherwise you're going to get 25 really random words that have no coherence or connection to what you're talking about or what you're summarizing. So please be very clear that you're looking for students to write in full sentences. Another little tip that I discovered after quite a long time is to just tell students not to put punctuation in a new box. So to put punctuation in the boxes that they're already using, because otherwise they lose boxes or lose words and spaces, which actually makes it harder for them to summarize what they are talking about. So this one might be a little bit fussy, it might be a little bit hard, but my suggestion for this one is that we go and grab our text box here. Okay, we go and draw our text box where we would like it. And then we type in our text there. It might be a little bit fussy because we're going to have to go and, keep adding text boxes. But obviously, if we create the first one and then we duplicate it by heading up here to our menu, it shouldn't be too bad in future if we wanted to continue using this. So if we wanted to just add the text boxes once and then duplicate it, we should be able to go in there and have those text boxes available. Yeah, so you might like to go in and pop some text boxes in before you push this out to your students, but essentially what they will do is they will have one word per box, which will ultimately end up with some kind of summary. All right, so it might be about a character, it might be about a topic, it might be about some part of your syllabus, it might be a tip. It's completely up to you what you would like to do for this particular template, but it's a really great way to see students summarizing text and information, but also sharing ideas with each other, because students sometimes get a little bit scared to share ideas with each other. So this is a really great template that's really easy to use. You might like to create these, and remember you can make your 20 jams, okay, within your one document here with your frames. So you can have those 20 frames there, and you might like to get 20 students sharing some ideas in the one document. You might just like to push it out to a student singularly so that they can complete it by themselves. You can download it. If you head up here to the 3 dots, and this is where you'll need to go if I have stuffed up these settings and you do need to make a copy, that's where you'll need to go. So you'll just click on make a copy. Remember, you can download it as a PDF, you can download it as an image, you could share them, you could add them to your Google Slides or Sites, your classroom. There's so many things that you could do with this template. It's a really simple template to start getting students thinking about summarizing their ideas, summarizing their text, so that they are able to get across their ideas clearly, cohesively, and succinctly. So that is the first of my 20 Jamboard templates that I'm going to show and talk to you about. So go and have a look at the 25-word summary, see if you could use it in your classroom today. It is available for you absolutely free on the Evolve EdTech website. So go and check it out and see what you could do with this amazing Jamboard template. Well, just as I mentioned earlier, please, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It will make me feel so much better about everything in life. Sometimes I lack a lot of confidence. I might not seem like I do, but I do, and I would love for you to support me in this journey as I help you with your EdTech needs across Australia, that's where I'm based, and the world. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is Evolve EdTech, and I would love to see you there. Don't forget that you can follow us on Facebook. All right, so please head to Facebook. Evolve EdTech is where you'll find us as well. I need to get back into being a little bit more active with Facebook. I've been a bit busy with life. I am a full-time teacher as well as doing this little side hustle. So please go and not subscribe, but join us on Facebook if you would like to. And the place that I'm probably the most active is Twitter. I love Twitter. I'm a big fan of Twitter now. So please go and follow us on Twitter. My handle is at Evolve EdTech AU. All right, so at Evolve EdTech AU is where you can find us on Twitter. Well, thank you so much for joining us today. I am glad that you have stayed with me for almost 15 minutes as I've showed you my new Evolve EdTech website. I've showed you where you can find our Jamboard templates, and I briefly introduced you to the 25-word summary template. So please go, feel free to make a copy of that, download it, use it in your classroom and help your students start to develop their ability to summarize information. Anyway, my name is Tristan. Thank you so much for joining us in this video on Jamboard templates that I've created. I hope to see you again very soon.